Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at the Earthscape, which is located in Gunjur, Sarjapur, South Bangalore, a project developed by Bricks and Milestone Projects LLP. And today we'll be doing the project overview, in which we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So we are here just in front of the marketing office, and this is the marketing office of this beautiful project. And now about the land parcel is just behind this marketing office over here where the construction work is going on. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry, because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview with the help of this beautiful miniature. So the project is spread across 22.3 acres of land parcel, consisting of 6 towers in all. So here all the towers will be 2 basement ground plus 26 floors, having 3 BHK, 3 BHK premium and 3.5 BHK premium residencies. Now about the location part, and the project is located on Gunjur, Doddakanahalli in Gunjur, Sarjapur, South Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhoods of the project, and this is the Gunjur Doddakanahalli road. And this road on my left hand side will connect you towards Vartur. And now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Wipro Kodeti in just 4 kilometers from the project. And Sarjapur Marathalli road is just 3.9 kilometers from the location. Now coming to the amenities part, and this project provide you world-class amenities like of, here's the 95,000 square feet of grand clubhouse with the deck area, the basketball court, football ground, multi-purpose court, here's a walking track, the water bodies, garden area, skywalk and many more amenities. Now let's talk about the super built up area. So as mentioned, this project is coming up with 3 BHK, 3 BHK premium and 3.5 BHK premium residencies, with 3 BHK starting from 1844 to 1884 square feet. 3 BHK premium is 2044 square feet to 2090 square feet super built up area. 3.5 BHK is 2197 to 2278 square feet super built up area. And now about the booking process. So the project booking window are open now. So we are inviting our client to come and visit the site. Our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the model flat as well. And then if clients like the project, they can directly proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was a project overview of the Earthscape, which is located in Gunjur, Sarjapur, South Bangalore, a project developed by Bricks and Milestone Projects LLP.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.